glue to be slipping and sliding all on their hairline and all of that. So I'm showing you all the glueless wigs so that you can get you one, so that you don't have to worry about all that this summertime, because you know we're gonna be in them streets. So this particular wig is from Hermosa hair. All the information will be in the description box below. So this is what the wig itself looks like. I think this is 24 inches. It's either 24 or 22 inches. Y'all, I never know the inch of the hair. That's so freaking bad. I'm gonna go find out. So this is their 24-inch silky straight. It says 250 density wear and go wig, meaning like it's glueless. The lace is already cut for you. I didn't bleach these knots or anything like that. Like, you're supposed to just be able to put it on your head, style it a little bit and go. So this is what the lace looks like. It is giving these. This is what it looked like. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with this elastic band. They said this is a 5x7 with closure. So it's like this wide, and it has this elastic band, and there aren't any combs or anything like on the sides, but it does have like this tight like band thing around the perimeter of the wig. With the wig, they send you a wig band for your edges. These are actually kind of cute. Some cute lashes. You know, because some hair companies be sending the lashes that don't even, anyways, you know what I'm talking about. The ones that be like 30 millimeters long, and I personally don't like lashes that long, but these look kind of cute, like something you can actually wear. And it comes with a wig cap, an HD wig cap, which is perfect because I'm about to use it for this install. And that's it, that comes in the bag. So let's go ahead and get into the video. My hair is in some like weird little something. It's flat. That's all that matters. Whatever you gotta do to get your hair flat, do that. It don't matter if it's braids, it don't matter if it's a ponytail, it don't even matter. It just make your hair flat so it can lay flat underneath the wig. I was thinking about like gluing down the wig cap and doing all the whole shebang, but I'm not gonna do that. You know why? This is a wear and go wig, which means you're not supposed to have to do all of that to install it. So we're not. So if you're a beginner and you ain't never did this before, just do everything that I'm doing. Ooh, this is a tight wig cap, y'all. Make sure everything fits. And then I'm just gonna pull it back because clearly I don't want it like on my forehead. But now I'm just using my same old cream makeup that I got from Walmart from Black Opal to color this wig cap. You can use any makeup that you have, but this wig cap is like a little bit or a lot of bit too light for me. So I'm just gonna color it up some. Don't let these bright lights fool you. I am very much brown skin. So we want the wig cap to match. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. This is lace tint that I got from the beauty supply store in the color dark brown, and I'm just spraying the lace in like short little bursts because like a lot of this product comes out, and I don't like to eat makeup, like, because you smell it and it smells all right. Like, it doesn't stink. I don't know if I ever gave that impression. Like, it doesn't stink, it actually smells good. I just don't know how healthy it is to be inhaling lace tint. So I just like to hold my breath, honestly. So I don't like to use elastic bands. If you're new here, I don't like to use elastic bands. If you've been here before, you know I always take them off. So I'm gonna take that off and slide the wig on my head. And voila, we're done. No, but honestly, truly, like, you really come in, I'm gonna style it. But I mean, if you wanted that to be it, if you are okay with looking like Morticia from the Addams Family with this, you know, little part in this, by all means be my guest. Also, let me show you how sturdy the wig is, because as you can see, I took off the wig band. There weren't any combs or anything, and it's glueless. So I know people be worried about it falling off your head. Ooh. I'm too grown for all that. But yeah, you get the point. It is sturdy and it is on there. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is just like style the hair pretty much, because the install part is already done. Like, that's the whole point of these wigs, is to make the install process easy so it's installed. technically, but now you just gotta style it to make it look right because ain't nobody walking out of the house like this. I mean, you could. No judgment. Judgment a little bit, but you could. I think I'm gonna do my edges first. I'm gonna take my Eco Gel. And I have to go on top of it with this edge booster because this part is my natural hair and gel does not hold down my natural hair by itself. I just use the gel kind of like shape it, but I gotta go on top with this edge booster and I lay it on thick because I like it to stay. So let me just do my baby hairs real quick. Y'all, I got hot, so I had to take my little sweater off real fast. Before I cut that, I actually want to pluck it a little bit. Use my little wax stick. Push that back. And now I'm gonna cut these baby hairs. I think I'm gonna cut them like right above my eyebrow. Gruel. That was a Mean Girls reference. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I had got a phone call, so I'm on the phone, so I'm just going to do a little voiceover for this part. But basically what I'm doing is just taking my flat iron and passing it through the hair. I wanted to get it bone straight. It's already pretty much straight, so it really didn't take too much, but I really just wanted to straighten it out so I wouldn't look crazy and just add a little bit of finishing touches. And now I'm just adding a couple of layers in the wig. It already came with like a little bit of pre-cut layers, but I wanted to cut a little bit more, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm just going to take my hot comb and my freeze spray and just flatten the top a little bit more. And that is it for this video, y'all. This wig was literally that easy to install. You really just put it on your head, do your baby hairs, if you even want baby hairs, flat iron it, and keep it moving. This is a throw on and go wig. Honestly, I've reached for this wig a lot, especially like in between styles, because you really can just put it on and go. The hair is really silky and soft and smooth and long. I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. And I really just overall love the convenience of this hair. And I love the fact that it's glueless. So if you got to go somewhere real quick, you don't have to fight to put it on. You just put it on and head out the door. But anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios till next time.